Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by locating the actual save files and making 2 backups right away, one untouched original and one working copy with a timestamp. Once found, inspect file extensions to decide tools. JSON or YAML open in a text editor, binary needs a hex editor. You should also install a Unity YAML reader and a general-purpose search tool to scan strings. Make sure to note file timestamps and sizes before editing, so you can detect accidental corruption later. Now identify whether the save is text-based or serialized binary. Readable JSON/YAML is straightforward, while Unity serialized objects require mapping. Once done, map keys and ID so you know which field controls what. You search for player stats position. Edit values with the correct type, integers, floats, strings, maintain formatting and delimiters. For binary files, use a hex editor or Unity-specific tools to decode and re-encode, and keep track of offsets so you do not break pointers or alignment. Finish by validating the edited file and testing it in the game. Compute a hash or checksum and compare it to your working copy so you catch accidental truncation. Then load the game and exercise the edited features. Collect items, move, save again, so you confirm persistence. If the game errors or crashes, stop and restore the original backup. Common causes are wrong byte order, bad checksums, or corrupted length fields. Make sure to log changes and iterate carefully to avoid repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.